In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop optical in Costco in 2026. We'll walk through the optical section on the Costco website so you can find what you need quickly, whether that's eyeglasses, contact lenses, or sunglasses. Start by opening your browser and heading to Costco's homepage. At the top of the site, look for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Optical. Click that to enter the optical department online. This is your central hub for everything vision related on the site. Let's use eyeglasses as our example. Once you're in optical, choose the option to shop eyeglasses. This takes you to the eyewear shopping area where you'll see a wide range of frames and tools to help you narrow down your choice. If you want to focus specifically on standard eyeglasses, look toward the top left area of the page and click on eyeglasses to make sure you're viewing that category. From here, you can explore categories that make browsing easier. You'll find filters for brand, color, shape, material, and size. These filters help you quickly narrow down to frames that match your style and fit. For example, you can pick a frame shape like round or rectangular, choose materials such as metal or acetate, and refine by colors you like. You can also look at size options to help with fit. If you already have a favorite brand, that filter will speed things up a lot. As you browse, click on any frame to open its product page. You'll typically see details on frame measurements, available colors, and lens options. If you plan to order prescription lenses, have your current prescription and pupillary distance handy, as that will make the process smoother. If you're unsure about color or fit, the virtual try-on feature is a great help. When prompted, allow camera access or upload a well-lit photo and follow the on-screen instructions. Good lighting and a straight-on photo will give you the most realistic preview. Beyond eyeglasses, the optical section also lets you order contact lenses. Look for the contact lens area within optical, then browse by brand or lens type. Make sure your prescription is up to date before adding lenses to your cart. You can also shop sunglasses in the same department using the same filters for brand, style, and size to find a pair that suits your look and needs. That's the full tour. Head to optical, choose eyeglasses for frames and filters, use virtual try-on to preview, and remember, you can switch over to contact lenses or sunglasses at any time within the same section.